All right, good morning, everybody. Marcia, good morning. God bless you. Awesome. I'm in the seat today. I got Rory giving a presentation this afternoon, so we'll take over the controls for this morning and see if we can't make some money together. Though let's do it. GH, good morning. All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Take a look at the markets here on the futures and see what's happening. See if we can make some money today together. We got the NQ making a nice move. Had a couple of them at play. Rue, good morning. Awesome. Rue, what you trading this morning?
Order filled.
Let's get this some work here. All right, looking at the NQ here. I've got a couple accounts going on the NQ Smart Stop 3, or I'm sorry, Smart Stop 2. That's kind of been my favorite so far. Smart Stop 2 and Smart Stop 3 look like they're up on the leaderboard first thing this morning. I had Smart Stop 2 running all night on an account, and it ran good. Made $1,400 last night on it. Got a couple okay so far this morning. All right, you guys trading out there? Marcia, you trading this morning? Doing a couple of discretionary trades when you see the opportunity? Nice comeback on the NQ today. Hopefully NVIDIA is back up. Took a little pause last night on NVIDIA. It started to drift down to 116 or so last night. Anybody know the new price this morning? I haven't got to check it out yet.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So looking at the leaderboard here this morning on the AI Auto Trader, looks like on my machine running ES Signal B
Order filled.
is the lead dog. Got Steven up on the leaderboard.
Order filled.
Steven will come in and swing away for a while. Looks like a nice 30 range Signal A day already again. Yesterday had a great day Signal A, NQ 30 range Signal A. Yesterday and Monday. So we've had quite a few days here with NQ 30 range Signal A being a really nice one to trade. So we jumped in here on this. I'm running the NQ signal A, B, and C. So all the signals. Running the smart stops here today. See if we can pull a rabbit out of the hat here. Looks like we got a nice trade going on. Looks like about a $300 bill going on right now. So that's a good move. Good move to the downside. Got the profit window just clicked in. So got a $300 bill. Looking at 4, trying to come into a $500 bill here. Got 3 accounts on it. Going low. Boom. All right. Good trade. Jump back in. Not done yet. This one will trade all day. This one will trade all day long. Always finds an opportunity. Going short. Closing in on $100 bill here. A lot of resistance coming back. Some nice moves on the NQ this morning. Ran this one all night long. Made $1,600 last night on this one. I figured the market was going to be hot because of the because NVIDIA after hours, so I ran it all night long, and sure enough, came into a $1,400 winner this morning.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, pushing down again. Why don't we go ahead and lock one in right here?
Order filled.
Took a little off the table on that one. We got 2 more in. Decided not to use that trade copier that I had from Affordable Indicators. It was dragging down my system big time. What it does, that it draws all the indicators on that trade copier, so it's a resource hog. It won't be good for us. So we'll have to figure out a different way. The Replicanto was what they call a plug-in, so like an app. So it didn't take all the resources that it does take to run the other. They called it a duplicator, but it's the way that the software is written is it draws all the indicators, all the values, and that's a real resource hog. So I was getting my my lag time, way up in the 5-second range, way into the red, where it's really not good and accurate to trade after that. So decided to set that on the sidelines for now, and now I'm just running. Just set up several strategies with different accounts. That's the way I run it, and it's the same. It's the same exact way as a trade copier. You just set up several accounts with the same strategy. So this is really identical to a setup for a trade copier right here. Okay, we got the NQ. Found a floor. It found the floor. It's going to hold tight here. We're at 19,500.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Candle pattern took us out. All right, Robert, good morning. All right, 122. Good, we got a little bit of a comeback there. Good. NVIDIA's running 122.
Order submitted.
Signal A, B, C jumped in short again. I think we caught the oscillator here. Looks like signal C caught. Now we got into signal A, so now we've got two of our signals that would have fired short here. We got a lot of resistance, so we're in a short trade. Down 200. It's a $300 whopper if we lose it. Ooh. Okay, we're back to about even on these these accounts so far this morning. I had a nice run here. Was up about 1,000 a minute ago. We got caught into a little bit of the chop there. See if we can get another extension on one of these. Oh, thank you, Marcia. Had a good run last night. Caught about a $1,400 move last night on the NQ here. Just ran one of the strategies on one of my eval accounts overnight. And so got a little bit of a conflict of signals here. So we did take the trade with the oscillator, but our signal A is popping and going long. So we're obviously in a big indecision point here on the market. Looks like the bulls are going to win this battle here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See if we can't catch one of these the right way here.
Order filled.
It's a really aggressive strategy, the signal A, B, and C. Catch all of them. And we exit on candle pattern recognition, or this stop is set at 60 ticks. So the candle took us out there. Take a look at the leaderboard. We did have these two up in the leaderboard. Looks like signal Smart Stop 3 is still hanging around. We got the 20U. This one's been pretty hot lately. I did have one of the accounts on it this morning and switched it back to the Smart Stop 2 because it was doing so well, but I maybe should have hung there with that 20U. That's been a really, really hot one.
Order filled.
Rory put it over in the Discord for us if you guys wanted that one.
Order filled.
I saw he dropped it in Discord a couple of days ago, I believe, the settings for this one that's leading me today here.
Order filled.
And this is Rory's favorite right here, the S Signal B drone. That's his favorite of all time. Right there, that's his favorite.
Order filled.
All right, we had a nice move to the upside there that we didn't participate in. We caught a couple Signal A opportunities, but we were on the sidelines because we took the Signal C trade on this one. Someone did mention, I think Limit Up mentioned it in Discord yesterday. I wanted to mention it that, yeah, sure enough, we aren't showing what entries we take on this particular strategy, but Sergio is going to make that change to the software so that we can see what entry is the most successful. All right, $5,000 Roo, way to go, big stack. Awesome, congratulations. On a tick chart. Nice move.
Order filled.
Okay, the NQ settling in, got some good direction here.
Order filled.
Having a heck of a recovery from the lows of, looks like we got all the way down to 19,150. So huge recovery last night.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so we'll see what's going to happen here in this market. Looks like we're going to kind of drift around 19,550. That's going to be a home for a little bit here, it looks like. Looking like a pretty good opportunity for an ODP coming up here. ODP. ODP. Let's get one going. We want to get one going on the NQ30 range here. Okay, we jumped in here, going long.
Order submitted.
We'll do an ODP. We'll do a new strategy.
Order filled.
Load up the ODP template.
Order submitted.
Taking a little bit of beating here. Da-na.
Order submitted.
So we'll get this thing trading all day, all night.
Order submitted.
Jumped in going short over here.
Order submitted. Order. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we got the ODP loaded up. Oh yeah, Mike, it might, the 82040. I don't really like the Unarenko charts yet either. We do think that they are a resource hog, so I don't know what the solution is there yet, but I believe you're right. Yep, that 8 Unarenko is a resource hog too. Not sure what to do about that one.
Order filled.
When I had the 8 Unarenko chart up, the only thing that I was doing that
Submitted.
that made a difference on the resources, Mike, you might consider is getting rid of the pivots and the volume zones. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you're watching on the chart itself, I right click, I go into indicators, and when I'm on that 8 Unarenko chart, if I got rid of the pivots and the volume zones, those two indicators seem like they were the ones that were dragging down that particular chart. So I'm not sure if that's that would be anything that would be helpful for you or not, but you might try taking those off the chart if you have them.
Order filled.
Prime time, okay. Rue's thinking prime time.
Order submitted.
Rue knows, he watches this software very closely, so we got to take his advice here. So Steven prime time. Let's take a look at it. Wow, what just happened right there?
Order submitted.
Holy moly. Things are flying. We took a long entry and it closed way up there. Okay, so something's okay, I'm lagging way behind right now. I'm 16 seconds behind. That's what's going on.
Filled. Order filled.
Okay, this is okay, yeah, I'm 22 seconds up here. So this is definitely this is super heavy volume right now. Looks like we're running about 3,000 contracts a minute. 3,200, 33, 35, 36. Okay, yeah, so this is serious volume. 4,000. Yeah, this is significant. 4,500 contracts. Okay, that's big. A good market on the NQ is 2,000 contracts a minute. Running about 4,500 right now. Okay, we're back down. We're back in the good here on the lag timer.
Order submitted.
Took a short trade. Okay, Mike, you're solid.
Order filled.
You're solid there with that time for sure. Looks like I'm about a 0.8 right now.
Order submitted.
Haven't quite hit the 10 o'clock yet, but boy, we're here. We're seeing the volume for it. We are absolutely seeing the volume for it. All right, we got the NQ pushing up big time, running about a 19,700. Boy, it would have been a shame to sell the NVIDIA last night. Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
I'll try to open the 20U. This is the 20U chart. So this is a 20 Unarenko. And it's been a pretty hot strategy for us, especially the last couple weeks. It's a leader for me this morning on my my computer. So 20 Unarenko is a big bar, so it takes out a lot of noise. It looks like it caught a nice entry right there. I ran that one up to its first target. Took a short here. Looks like it lost a little bit of ground. So it's just been bouncing around, bouncing around for a while. I think. Let's see, what time was the first trade? Yeah. Oh, looks like it was trading all night long. Yeah, this one was trading all night long too.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, so the 20U, I think I've got trading 24 hours a day right now too to collect data. So we jumped in on our prop accounts here.
Order filled.
Go back to the 30 range. Looks like we're down about 150 on the trade, 200.
Order
Ooh,
filled.
lost that trade. A lot of slippage right now. Heavy volume.
Order filled.
Yeah, no news. This is really, really quite
Order
a
filled.
quite a move.
Order submitted.
Quite a move for no news that we know about specifically, other than Nvidia reporting last night. Their numbers were up, you know, a tad. I think the street was somewhat disappointed, but not this morning. Everybody came into their desk and said, okay, let's go. Let's do it. Let's jump in the ring. Mike, not sure what Stephen RK optimization is. I don't think I have it. I don't think I have one named that. Let me take a look. Yeah, I just have Stephen. It's down 816 this morning. The Stephen strategy. This is the leaderboard here. Starting to get signal A, hearing a little chirp there and behind the scenes. That means my food dish is open for service. Looks like we
Order submitted.
didn't close with that in our favor. And we're going down. Got the short trade set up here, signal A.
Submitted.
Going short. Holding 630 here on the NQ. Getting signal A, going short. Breaking even. Need a big trade here. We're down about 600. Here we go. We're dropping. Move my targets down some. I need a big trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Shut the door on a loss here. And we're going down south. Come on, we're down 200. Here we go. Hung up at a $100 bill. Pushing to a $300 bill. Come on, drop down. $400 bill. Come on. Push through 600 here one time. One time. Big drop.
Order filled.
Big drop for the AI auto trader. Holding the $100 bill now. Coming back on us. $200 bill. Might want to put it in our pocket.
Order
Ah! Oh, we got the ODP. ODP showed up. Woo! We got the ODP. Didn't see it again. What number is that? 1609.
order filled.
1609. Took the ODP right here.
Order submitted.
Successfully made the ODP. Got 10 contracts on that one. Ran it down. Kind of think I should just trade those all the time.
Order filled.
The ODP. Hot. NQ30 range ODP. Okay, we're back in on the other ones.
Order submitted.
Got another setup for going short here. Down up 300. Up 400. Got the window just popped in. Up 600. Oh, nice trade. All right. Good trade. Got a nice nugget back right there on that trade.
Order filled.
Here we go. We got the candle pattern recognition. The bullish candle popped in.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Nice ODP. Woo!
Order filled. Order filled.
Two of them right there back to back. Another signal A beauty. Another beauty setup. That was even better than the last one that made the target. Beautiful signal A's. The bot has been crushing signal A the last couple of days. So if you're a trader, jump in on those NQ30 range signal A. Speaking of that, any information that I shared today is for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team are not a licensed financial advisor. We're traders, just like you guys who are trying to, make money in the market here today using the software. So just want to show you how I'm using the software and what the potential it has for us. So. All right. Took a hit right there. Got the candle pattern took us out. Got the bullish candle.
Order filled.
Another bullish candle popped in. Setting up for a nice long trade here. Ah.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I see Steven's kind of taking me for a ride right here too. This is signal C is right here. This is it's in on signal C again. This is a love or hate signal. Like I showed you, this one made 5,200 in one day, trading one contract, but it can also get eaten up here. I do have it on that it is respecting the 50, but as we see, it's right on the 50. The 50 is changing red, green, yellow, so it's not getting a lot of confirmation before it takes the entry. So it's a love or hate signal for sure. We're trying to go short here on this trade. We had a couple of good confirmations, but we're really holding tight on price. Price is holding the 620 tightly here. Gonna push up on us, take us out of this trade, it looks like. And we're, oh my goodness. Oh, that was painful. Woo!
Order filled.
Oh, look at that big comeback. They just sucked up some orders, though.
Order submitted.
Ah, signal C is painful right here. See if this is the time it releases. Let's not get punked out one more time. Okay, so we're going to push down through 600. Trying to push down through 19,600 one time. Got a $200 bill on this one. Here we go. Close the door on it. Ah! We got a little nugget back. We closed the profit window on it. Still going short. Not done yet. Take another run at it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
600. 19,600 is holding here. A lot of resistance. We'll get out of that trade on this one.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Going short. Try to break this support here.
Order filled.
Candle pattern took us out. Yeah, good idea on that, Rue. He says, reboot over the weekend for sure. That's what I do too. Friday afternoons, I usually shut down and restart. Okay, we caught signal A here. Going long. Set up for a nice long trade here.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if we can push up away from 600. Signal A coming in hot. Going long. Got a $200 bill almost. Here we go. Pulled in 200. Going to come back and visit 600 one more time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh boy, that got close to closing that one too. This is a good example. All three of these jumped in at the exact same trade.
Order
You saw those other two. Okay, well this one went out eventually. That was close. It didn't sell the order the first time. If we look, the candle, the wick actually went through price, but it didn't actually sell this particular contract. It did on the second run through it, but it potentially could have ran away with a winner and the other one's lost. So that's how we get differences. When we look at the data, it becomes really easy to see, but when you compare mine against yours, you're like, wait a minute, weren't we both trading the same stuff? It doesn't look like it. Here we go. We're going long again. We're not done here. We think price is going to move off 19,600.
Order filled.
Stubborn though. Ouch.
Order
Man, that was painful. Shoot, that one hurt. Oh, that one was painful. All right, we're stuck in a little bit of a tunnel here. Ouch. These ones are nasty.
submitted.
Oof. This is where the pause button comes into play. The struggle is real right here.
Order submitted.
Let's take a look at the accounts. See what else is still hanging in there. The 20U is still in. It's in another trade right now. Yes, Signal B still number 2. Black gold. So we've got some CL movement this morning. Nice CL movement. Yeah, we got quite a few trades in the CL. So the oil is definitely moving this morning. Couple in the YM starting to creep up the leaderboard, and looks like Smart Stop 3 is hanging around for me today still. Smart Stop 3 and number 2 were up on the leaderboard way up high earlier this morning. How they doing for you guys? Mike, is your Smart Stop 2 or 3 hanging around? Here we go.
Order submitted.
I have a couple of bots hanging around the leaderboard. We got the NQ2 minute and the Signal B AI bot. So I have the optimizations for the sessions working for the bots. So they're only trading small windows of opportunity from successful trades in the past. So if the drones made money in a window over the last couple weeks, we engage the bots to trade in those same windows. So we took a short trade here.
Order filled.
The bot saw an opportunity to go short, saw a big move down, jumped in. Trying to go short here. Got a $100 bill, coming back to even. Breaking even, losing money.
Order submitted.
Down 100.
Order
Uh-oh, got background bias against us. Back to even.
order filled.
Down 100. Price is holding here on the NQ.
Order filled.
Coming down for us. Profit window.
Order submitted.
Caught target actually. Caught the target on that one. Hit the profit target.
Order filled. Order
Going short. Running through 19,530. 30's going to hold.
filled.
Candle took us out. Candle pattern. Oh, what a candle pattern recovery. Ouch. That pattern recognition is for real. Look at that. Boom.
Submitted.
Caught that candle going north and took us out. Wow, Rue's got a huge machine too, 64 gigabyte.
Submitted.
Okay, we saw another opportunity to go south here. $5.50, back to $5.50. Look at all the orders filled at $5.50. This green blob over here on the left is the number of orders that transferred at that price. And that big long bar right there is right at $5.50. Price is recovering here.
Order filled.
Steady, solid recovery. A little bit of weakness here in price. I'm going to test $5.50 one more time.
Order.
And the Bulls won that battle. Hey, Mark, good morning. Yeah, that was pinned right down. Oh, did he? Rory made a good trade yesterday, huh? He's a good trader. He's been doing this a long time. Okay, we got the signal A starting to pop in. We'll see if this candle closes red. Okay, sure did. Jumped us in here.
Order filled.
We're going short. Signal A. Signal A coming down.
Order filled.
Candle pattern took us out. Price reverted on us here.
Order filled.
Big block orders came in on us. Still made a little bit of money on that trade. A few ticks there, looks like. $100.
Order submitted.
We're in a full-blown struggle right here. Yeah, steady Eddie, that's for sure. Okay, we caught the bullish candle here, going long. Let's get this. Let's get another ODP going. That's our sweet spot. We got the one-day pass templates here built that are
Order filled.
hot. The NQ 30 range, super hot this week. We hit one on number 1609 earlier. Let's add another one. We made it and it was behind my back. I didn't even get to see it. Just looked up and saw $3,000.
Filled.
We want to watch it. We don't believe it's true. Okay, we got the NQ 50,000 one-day pass. It's a strategy we build to try to get us over the eval with one trade. And I'm just going to set my eval account up with it. We'll do number 1610. So we now then enable it. We're off to the races. The next trade setup that it sees that matches the template, it will jump in for us automatically, and we'll just kind of watch here and see what happens. Good looking recovery here on the NQ. Trying to find 19,600 one more time. Good long trade right here. So I was running that affordable indicators duplicator, but it was dragging down my system, so I had to put that on the back burner and just running one strategy over several accounts. It's the same exact thing as a trade copier, so you can just build yourself a couple of strategies running on different accounts. Works the same as a trade copier. Trade copier is a little easier. Well, in my mind, quite a bit easier. The other one was, it's a nice system, but it just uses a lot of resources to draw. It draws all those values. The Replicanto that I had, that's different. It's a different programming setup. So the Replicanto is kind of like a plug-in, and it just shares messages back and forth and then updates. So that's the difference. That's why it wasn't using a lot of resources.
Order submitted.
I'm going to get a one-day pass going on my PA accounts here. What I'll do is I'll just take the contracts down instead of 10. We'll go to 1. So we'll open up a one-day pass. Here we go. I'm going to jump in this trade here. Got a lot of action on this trade. Let's cancel this. Let's watch what's going on here. So we're on the one-day pass. What number is that? 1610. Okay, one-day pass. We're up $3,000. Oh, we made it. Awesome. Made another ODP right here, guys. Way to go. NQ $50,000 one-day pass. This one got us $27.65. So we didn't quite get our full $3,000, but we got close.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're still in on my other ones. They got a longer profit target.
Order filled.
Okay, they were in, then they were out. Now they're back in. This one took the long entry on signal A. Candle pattern took it out. Looks like then signal B jumped it back in. So signal B is now active in this trade. Signal B is the trend signal. So again, this strategy is super aggressive. We've got it running on signal A, B, and C. So all signals it jumps in on. Right now we're on the second trade. Basically, it took that long entry. It exited on this candle pattern pullback, but then it saw that it was still going long, and the setup still looked right for a signal B entry, so it entered there again, and we're back in the trade. We'll see if signal B can hold here. So the NQ is running at 19,600 again. Trying to hold up here. Got a lot of orders in. A lot of orders. Here we go. Nice move to the upside. Clearing 16,000. Here we go. $300 bill. $400 bill. $500 bill. Here we go. Come on, baby. Knock the door. Knock on the door. One time, one time. Stop moved up. Okay, good call. Good trade. All right. Marcia almost passed it twice. Congratulations. 44.80. That's a big nugget.
filled. Order submitted.
Awesome. Oh, hey, I was just reading your question there, TransClean.
Order filled.
If you close out of an automated trade manually, will it keep taking trades? Let me do a couple examples for you. So
Order filled.
the answer is kind of yes and no. That's why I want to kind of be like more explicit of what I show you. We'll wait for it to get in a trade. So if you close it manually, so here this button, if you use this button right here to close it,
Order filled.
if you use this button to close it, it would disable the strategy.
Order filled.
So for example, right here, number 1608 that I'm trading, it's right here, 1608. Right now it's up 500. Okay, we're going to take a trade here. But if I would hit the close right there, it will disable the strategy, and then it won't take any more trades. No. Now, if you just grab your stop or target and it goes out of the trade, no, it'll stay in. Like, it's still enabled, you know. But if you don't, if you hit the close button, it disables the strategy and it goes out. So we're going long again. I pinched this one down.
Order filled.
We're in long.
Order submitted. Order filled.
In fact, we'll still take trades right here on this one. It didn't make its profit target yet. The profit target's at 3,050. So it didn't quite make it there yet. So this one would still jump in. I don't want to risk this one, so I'm going to disable it. And just we'll manually try to trade it over or put something else on it. Good looking trade here, trying to go long. Got a $200 bill in our pocket, all three accounts. Running three accounts over here. Oh, candle pattern took us out.
Order submitted.
Another long entry, signal B. Laguerre's pegged to the upside. Nice push up long. Pushing through 630. Coming back, breaking even.
Order filled.
Up a $100 bill again. Background bias popped in. Going long, three accounts.
Order filled.
Candle pattern took us out again. Oh, Rory Powers has a webinar this afternoon, guys. If you guys can join, please do. Please sign up. He'll be showing the system in more depth and explaining some of the technology that's going on back here and really some of the results. Let me show you the results so far today on this machine. I was on a few times, off a few times with the Apex accounts, getting them all set up this morning. Oh, we got Smart Stop 3 still hanging around. But back up here on the leaderboard, number one, looks like the 5-minute signal B. Rory Powers is favorite of all time. Right there, 11:20. Holding tight. We got that 20U, it's number two. We've got some CLs right up there on the leaderboard, big time. The best spot this morning so far is at 585. Got the NQ 2-minute. Couple other ones starting to come up the leaderboard here. 3 or 4 of them. That's good news. They don't trade much now. They don't trade hardly at all now. They got just some really small opportunities of trading windows. We got them crunched down right to the best opportunity that we can find over the last couple weeks. So taking a look at all the trades, running it out through an AI agent, to handle the data transfer back and forth between SQLite and the NinjaTrader platform, and doing some data analysis with a model trying to predict the best times to be in the market here. Okay, let's go ahead and try our best to get one more over the line here. So let's stick with this one. We'll just go edit it and just lighten up on the contracts, and we just got to get a little bit smarter about this one. So I don't need $3,000 anymore. What we're doing is we're taking a look at number 1610 right here. I'm at 2765, so I need about $300. So we'll put 300 in here as the profit limit. And then the loss, why don't we do maybe 500? And we'll just do one contract. In the next opportunity that it sees this one to jump in, it'll take this trade for us. So we'll arm this guy, the next signal A. It will take the trade, and we hope that it'll go in our direction and close out above $3,000. If not, we'll lose 500 and go down to 2,200. Okay, earlier I wanted to get my PAs working here, so we got to get these working too. Let's do a new strategy. And check something real quick. I want to check a strategy, see how it's doing today. So what I'm looking at, I'm going to trade some PA accounts, and so now I'm just trying to get as smart as possible about which one I'm going to use. It makes sense to use the ones that are on the top of the leaderboard, but a lot of these don't get trades very often, so I don't want to get in one that doesn't take many trades here. So signal B, that takes quite a few trades. This is a pretty good one to trade right now, looks like. It's up 450. And then Smart Stop 3 looks like it's hanging around and trading good right now. We don't get many trades on the 2 minutes, so I'm kind of going to pass over that one, or else I would trade that bot right now. The 2 minute takes a while for a trade setup. .30 range takes trades often a lot. That's my favorite. That's my favorite chart for sure. NQ 30 range. So let's put the NQ30 range on some PA accounts here. So we'll do a new strategy. We'll use the 1 day pass setup. So using the NQ30 range 1 day pass. Got to change the time so it trades 24 hours a day. Boy, we've been getting really lucky at that 11:30 window too. My NQ $50,000 1 day pass, when I'm not trading it on my own, for the clients has hit both, I think 2 or 3 days this week for sure. I know that. Um, so now this is my PA account, so I'm just, I'm good with $1,000. I'm good with losing 1,000. And we won't get greedy, we'll just do one contract. Put it on a PA account, hit go. Alright, so that one's in. I'll do another one. Get the other one rolling. This time we'll do the smart stop too on the other one. Okay, those times are good.
Order submitted.
I like that. I don't need 1,500.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So we'll get that one loaded
Order filled.
and rolling. So we've got one PA account with the ODP at one contract, not 10, and then I've got one smart stop too on the other one.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go take a break. You guys watch this for me, will you? Keep it up. Keep up the good work here. You guys are doing awesome so far. We're doing decent. We had a couple of setbacks, but we've clawed back quite a bit here, and we've hit a couple of dingers. So I'll be right back in just a minute.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, welcome back. Been quiet here. Here we go. We got the NQ pushing up. Nice recovery today. Full recovery from yesterday.
Order filled.
Nice recovery. Wow, what a beauty. Long trades, here we go. Time to click long only. We're working on a control panel for you. But it's going to be a slower project. It's just it's time filler when Sergio's not working on something more urgent. But yeah, he's working on a plug-in. We have a nice one already. It's called the NDT. I really don't even know what NDT stands for, but it's a execution platform, and we sell it with our money flow tracker software.
Order submitted.
I've used it with this before, but but it's just easier to let the automation do it. So Ninja Dome Trader, is that what it's called, Charles? Ninja Dome. Yeah, I haven't used the Dome. I should, but I haven't. Come on, baby, take a trade here. Take a trade here.
Order filled.
Oh, got all kinds of support lines here we're fighting, it looks like. Ooh. Oh, wow, that's a lot. That was from a while ago, I think. I'm looking at that support line here. Oh, yeah. A few days ago. All right, this one's a tough one right here, this support line. It's a long one. Mike don't like the Dome. Yeah, I haven't I haven't used it. I know we have one, or I've seen it. All right, we're locked and loaded here. We need to see a little bit of release here. We got the Laguerre down where we're setting up now for a nice nice long trade if we can keep enough room between this this support line. Looks a little too close though. Not enough for us. These are the tough ones. This is a good discretionary trade though.
Order submitted.
If you're feeling this is you know, so compelling that it's going long here, you can, you know, jump right in on this bad boy. Right into the pivot. Look how it rejected it last time. They're like kryptonite. It's the weirdest thing.
Order filled.
They eventually get through them. That's the other part. Yeah, I think I looked at it once, Mike, and I was like, not sure I would see value there or not. Got the bearish candle at the pivot, right there in that volume zone. Means that red body of that candle swallowed that green body.
Order filled.
It's been a nice indicator. Almost think they can be entries at some point. Kind of look at that beauty right there, this launch pad off that green one, although the red one just lost, you know, so it's always 50-50. 50-50. All right. Trying to find signal A trade today. There were a few of them earlier. Hit some beauties up this one here when that trend was just starting.
Order filled.
Take a look at the leaderboard, see what else is moving. Looks like that ES is sitting tight. That thing's probably done trading. It doesn't trade very often. That's the interesting part about that strategy. From what I remember, it takes about 2-3 trades a day. Sometimes 0. Signal C's been swinging in there for 24 hours. I think that one trades all day, all night. Got the 2-minute bot coming up. Roberts is out there. Robert got the leaderboard this morning. Oh, that reminds me, Robert. Tell us if you're doing good on any of the other ones that you optimized.
Order filled.
I'll go and grab them if you do. I had them, and then I had to start over, and I didn't have them.
Order filled.
So I was gonna go grab them if they're doing good, or at least to test them. Okay, we're in. We're in on the short roll. We're in on the short roll. We caught a $300 bill in the back pocket real quick, and we caught the target. Woo! Look at this bad boy roll. What's going on here? Still looks like I'm in the trade here. 1605.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'll have to have Sergio take a look at that. Not sure what that is. Looks like it didn't, short entry. Short target. Let me do a screenshot of this time. Share that with Sergio later. Okay, good trade there. Nice trade. We caught another, we caught some cash in the PA account on that one. That was a really good trade right there. Short roll. Woo! Woo! Wow, that was a beauty. That one we made some cash on that trade. That trade pulled in about $1,000 or more. All right, nice trade. Caught a short roll coming off that heavy move to the upside. Woo-wee! That would have been a tough one to trade manually. I had mine locked in all longs. Oh, how funny. That's the way trading is. It just do exactly what you think is the opposite. Oh, I tell you, that's the way it works. All right. All right, got a big weekend coming up. Labor Day weekend. Let's go. What are we doing? What are you guys doing out there? What's going on Labor Day? Who's doing what? Marcia, what's going on out west?
Order
Oh, we're back in. Rue, you guys got a weekend, big one coming up? Okay, what are we in on? We're in on the PA account here. Let's go check it out. Oh, that trade ended. We made a little bit of money, it looked like. 642. Where is she? No. 269. Oh, exit on line change. Okay, we got the chirp. We're going to go south here if we close red. Nope. Ah, missed a trade.
Order submitted.
Pushing up on us, trying to hold price here, 650. 269. That way. Or that way. Whatever way you decide to go. All right, here we go, 269. Running 650.
Order filled.
642 with commissions. Going short. Chirping. Holding price, 650s. 650s taking us out. We're in on 3 accounts on this one. Ah!
Order filled.
We're gone. Okay. Let's get that other one here. Take a look at the entries between a PA and a eval. Let's take a look. Where's another chart? Here we go. Okay, we're in again. Come on, baby.
Order submitted.
Order submitted, baby.
Order filled.
Okay, 269 and 1608.
Order filled.
Gonna take a beating right here real quick. Here we go, down 200. Ah,
Order filled.
man, just got wiped out on that one. Okay, here we go. Still got a little bit of meat on the bone here. 1608 still in. Ouch. All right, just took a beating on that trade. Tried calling another short, even though we're supposed to go long only. Oh, that short trade a minute ago made about $1,000 on it. Holy moly. Marcia hit 15. Way to go. That's huge. Congratulations, Marcia. Proud of you.
Order submitted.
You're going to get Trader of the Month. Woo! That's awesome. You've learned a lot. You've really figured this thing out. Really on your way. Your journey is pretty awesome to follow. Thanks for sharing it with us. All right, here we go. We got the NQ chopping us up a little bit here. Let's stay out of some trades here. Trying to go south again. Ah, 650 is going to hold. It's drawing a little smiley face here. 650's holding. Up 100. Back to even. Holding $50. Oh, here we go. Little move to the downside. Let's see where we entered each one of those at. PA entered at, can't quite read that number, 647.25. Eval entered at 647.25. Looks like they both entered at the same price on this one. Running a $180 bill. Here we go. Coming back to 100. Coming back to even. Holding $100. Not so fast. Back to even. $300 bill. Coming back. 200. Uh-oh. Pinching us back to even.
Order filled.
$100. Even.
Order filled.
$400.
Submitted.
Woo! Nice trade. Nice trade right there. Woo! Let's go. Marcia, 450, baby. She reached in there and snatched it. Way to go, Marcia. Oh, Ron, I got a chirper on this Signal A. So when the cross pops on, I know that it's action time.
Order filled.
So you can just double click on the cross, and right here's the cross indicator. Once you just double left click on it, it pops open this this box, and right here you just enable the sound alert. So you can have that enabled or disabled. If you click it, you know, obviously it turns it on. And the little chirp that I like so far is just this one. It's called Auto Chase. So you pick the noise after you click the box. You then pick the noise right here. So then you hit apply, and you'll be rolling to know when it's action time. You know, when the bot's about to take a trade. If you're using Signal A, you know. All right, great trade. All right, guys, let's end this thing on a good note. There, we're battled back. We got a heck of an account today. Way to go, way to go, way to take some trades out there too, Rue and Marcia. Way to go, guys. You guys are slaying it. That's fun to share your stories. Appreciate that so much. Awesome. So we scored pretty good here today. Let's take a look at the leaderboard and then go kick back and go take a victory lap before we get punched in the face. Woo! Let's go. All right, so we got a heck of a leaderboard. We hit a couple of ODPs on the $50,000 one-day passes. So we scored on both of them. We didn't lose either one of them today. So we took two and got two. Looks like the drone Signal B. This ended up being an NQ 30 range Signal B day after all. We had that one pop off, and then ES Signal B, we got a bot now up here about 900. 30 range signal B. So it's alive and kicking. We've got the 2-minute bot. Had a couple of good accounts here. Caught let's see, $3,000, $6,000, 7, 8. Woo! We made some money. Let's go look on the Apex roll up here. We pulled in some good cash here today. Woo! Awesome. So all winners today. That was one loser. We got one PA account down right now. We got to battle back here on 268 here. But we made about 3, 6, made about 6,500 today. Way to go, guys! Awesome. Day's just beginning. So let's hunker down and go take a victory lap and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. How about that, everybody? Appreciate you joining. If you haven't, maybe give us a like or the thumbs up if you would. That helps the video go throughout the YouTube a little bit faster for us and get more people checking us out. And then more people check us out, we get to make the software better. So because we get more ideas, more people popping in here gives us more ideas to put more into the software, try to get an edge against everybody else. So we appreciate everybody who joining us and being part of the community here. So hope we continue our lucky roll we got going on today, and let's kind of watch this trade go through here, and then we'll close out. Hope we can end on a good note here. We got the PA and all the evals here, and on another long trade. This one's the aggressive one. So this one here entered on a signal B. Again, that was the hot signal earlier. So this one just entered on the signal B. This is the trend trade signal. We're breaking even on the trade. This trade's breaking down on us. We're down 100. Back to even.
Order submitted.
Let's see where we entered at. PA account over here on the left. Entered at 659.50. The eval on the right entered at 659.50. Both entered at the same price. Let's take a look at our sim account that's doing the same trade. Let me see which one this one is. Smart stop too. Why is that not in a trade? Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, it hit its loss limit earlier. So Smart Stop 2 hit its loss limit earlier, so it wasn't trading anymore. It hit its session loss limit.
Order filled.
Okay, we're going long. We got a nice push to the upside. And on the left on a PA account, on the right with a eval account.
Order filled.
Up a $200 bill here. NQ's holding 19,670. $100 bill coming back on us here. Bit of weakness coming through 670.
Order submitted.
Push to the upside. We're locking in half.
Order filled.
Ooh! Caught our profit target for the day. $1,000 bill. Awesome. Way to go.
Order filled.
Way to go. So the aggressive one got the money today. This is the NQ Smart Stop 2. I made $1,400 overnight on it too. Ran it on a Apex account overnight on a one contract. Got $1,400 overnight. So it's a hot one right now. It's aggressive though. So if the market ain't moving, it'll chop you up. But the market's on fire right now. Absolute fire. Got a 400-point move already today so far. So this is the bot's sweet spot, and you guys saw it roll it up today here. So far, 3, 6, 7, 8, little over $8,000. Let's go trading. Prop trading on steroids. All right, guys. Really appreciate you guys joining the broadcast. Hopefully you have a really great afternoon and enjoy your days. Good luck trading, guys. See you tomorrow. Everybody, if you have time, drop in that like. If you have comments, drop them in below. We'll answer them. Everybody have a great day. Bye now.